Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City checking into the Borgata today, the Borgata Hotel and Casino. I'm all checked in already. I just have my digital key with me. Gotta head right up to room 925. Gonna take you guys along and give you a little tour. Come along with me. I don't think I've been in the Borgata since the holidays. It's been quite a while, and it's been even longer since I stayed in a room here, so I'm looking forward to hanging out at the Borgata tonight. I'm also going to check out the pools, so stay tuned for that. Not only the indoor pool, but the outdoor pool now that it's open for the season. And let's head upstairs and check out this room on the 9th floor and see what it looks like. One of the cool things about MGM properties as opposed to, say, Caesars, is Caesars, you still have to use a kiosk to check into your room. MGM, it's all on your phone. You know what room you're going into from your home, and you just use your phone as your room key. You don't need to go to a kiosk. You don't need to speak to anyone. It's like a one-step, seamless operation. It's fantastic. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. The last time I was at a MGM property, it was my last visit to Las Vegas. I stayed at the Mandalay Bay. I actually didn't stay there. I just did a room tour and a pool tour and then left because I had too many other things to do. But that was my last MGM property. I am heading back to Vegas in less than a month, and I am staying at the Mirage. So that's the first time I'm saying that on the channel. I will be staying at the Mirage. I'm looking forward to it. I also have a comped room at the New York, so I will be doing a room tour at the New York as well, and the pool at New York. Never stayed at New York. Hopefully this time around, my schedule will allow me to actually spend the night in my room at the New York. Not very vlogger friendly. There's only one outlet behind this lamp, but no fear, I always pack one of those one outlets that turn into 3 outlet adapters in my suitcase. I always keep it there just for purposes like this. Seems like every hotel I go into has one of these boxes on the end table with a cord attached to it. When you lift up the little flat part, it makes a weird noise. Anyone know what these things are? I'm just kidding. I know it's a phone, and that's why hotels can charge you a resort fee, so you can make free local calls on your phone. It's definitely worth the $40. Actually, full disclosure, my room was comped, but I always have to pay a resort fee. I'm not that much of a gambler, so that's one thing I do have to do is pay the resort fee. And I believe at the Borgata, I know it went up, but it's still under $30. So not a bad deal here for one of the nicer hotels and casinos in Atlantic City to have one of the lower resort fees. And besides, you get one of those boxes with that coily cord thing hanging on it on your end table. So if you follow the New York channel, or at least the community room, you know that the water club is no longer the water club, it's the MGM Tower. I got a comped room here at the Borgata, and I tried to upgrade to the MGM Tower, the new renovated rooms, because I wanted to show them to you guys. And unfortunately, it said no rooms were available during the week, so I assumed it was closed. But I went downstairs to do a thorough tour of the Borgata later this evening, and I found out that the tower was actually open, so I'm not sure what happened, but I do plan on getting over to that MGM Tower soon and show you guys the newly renovated rooms. These rooms at the Borgata, they could use a little upgrading themselves. They've haven't changed in years. Don't forget, stay tuned. I'll show you the indoor and outdoor pool coming up near the end of the video. I don't usually do product endorsements, but this lather stuff they have here at the Borgata is pretty good, and I love the body wash. It's like a lemongrass scent, and I, take it if I don't finish the entire tube, so I can use it at home as well. Again, I don't do product endorsements. They are not certainly not sponsoring the channel. I just want to let you guys know that I like this stuff, and it is available on the internet. Who am I kidding? There's never enough of that lemongrass body wash left over to take home. I need 3 tubes to wash this body. I just did a search to find these lather products on the internet so I can give you guys a price, and lo and behold, it looks like they only sell to hotels. So if you want some, well, you got to book a room at an MGM property. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button beneath the video and get a shout out on an upcoming video. And outside my view here, not a great view. Again, I'm on the 9th floor. But I'm not going to complain, the room was comped. That's the former Water Club Tower, now the MGM Tower across the way. And way off in the distance, to the left, Harrah's, to the right, Golden Nugget. Okay, off to the pools. First up, it's the Borgata indoor pool. It's open all year round. You can come during a blizzard and go swimming as long as you come during the pool open hours. Also here is the spa, the gym, the men's barber shop, as well as the women's beauty shop. The indoor pool also has a sun deck, which obviously isn't open all year round, but if you're here in the summertime, you can enjoy the sun deck here or go to the outdoor pool, which we're going to see in a moment. By the way, guys, if you're planning a vacation, whether it be a day, a long weekend, or perhaps even a week-long or 2-week-long trip to either Atlantic City, Las Vegas, on a cruise, whatever, just make sure you're subscribed to the New York channel. I try to give as many tips as possible, and if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask them in the comments below. And if I can't answer them, I'm sure someone of my many subscribers can answer them for you. So it's a great place to just hang out, do some chat. Make sure you check out the community room. Lots going on here on the New York channel, and if you're planning a vacation, it's a great place to visit. Lots of people ask for a day bed at a resort pool, or if they can afford it, a cabana. Me, I enjoy my 10-foot rocking chairs. The Borgata can say they're a sponsor of the Phillies because, well, New Jersey doesn't have a Major League Baseball team, and that's probably why they can do this.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.